Welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and as usual on Friday it's English, and for today I'm going to share with you a recipe, our street food recipe, that is curry puff. Let's see the ingredients. Onion, garlic and ginger, minced meat, potatoes, egg, cornflour, curry powder, oil, margarine, cardamon and cinnamon stick, salt, sugar, water, oil. Okay, first we diced the potatoes, cut into cubes. Okay, also onion, okay, for the ginger and garlic we just chop it finely. You can put aside. Do the same to the ginger. And put aside. For this, it's optional. It's the spring onion and also the celeries. But if you don't have this, you can always change to minced leaf also can. So up to your choice. But if you don't use it also, it's okay. It's just to enhance the flavor for the filling. Okay, first we heat up the oil. Not so much. So we stir fry the garlic and the ginger. Fry till fragrant, and I'm going to add in the meat. Add the cinnamon stick and also the cardamom. And also the curry powder. I've already mixed with a bit of water to make it into paste. But if you think you want it to be more spicy, you can always add in chili powder, a bit of coriander powder, and also cumin powder. It's all your choice. But today I just use one type, that is my curry powder. Now we can add in the onion. I'm going to add in salt and a bit of sugar. Now the potatoes. If you see it's a bit dry, you can add in some water. We stir fry until the potato is done, when it is cooked. And As for the beef, if you wish to change into chicken also, you can do so. But if you don't have it, you can always put dry shrimps. Just replace it with dry shrimps to get the flavor. And add in the spring onions and the celery. You can also replace coriander leaves instead of the spring onions and the celeries. Stir fry until the liquid absorbs, and now it's almost done, and I'm going to put aside to cool it. Okay, now for the margarine and the oil, I need to melt it first before we start doing the dough. A bowl. Okay, combine the flour and also the cornflour here. Transfer the flour here. And I'm going to mix it with the margarine just now that we heat up. Still warm, so you just add into the flour. I'm going to add in some salt just to give some salty taste to the pastry. Use it while it's still warm. Don't leave it to cool. Form like a breadcrumbs. Then you add in the egg. You mix well, and finally you add in the water. Water you don't add so much, you just add bit by bit until you get soft dough. Okay, add in the water bit by bit. Knead it until it's smooth and it doesn't stick to the bowl. Once you get a soft dough like this, you can always keep it, I would like to rest it for a while before I start doing the curry puff. Okay, after 10 minutes, the dough is soft already here, and I'm going to divide into small pieces before I roll it. Okay, I'm going to divide it into like say about 50 to 60 grams. Okay, we can form this into small balls like this. You can also flatten the dough and cut it round. So it's all up to your choice. I prefer to do like this. And now I'm going to roll it one by one and put the filling to make the curry puff. You just apply a bit of flour on the board and you can roll it. And here I'm going to put the filling and we start, should I say, prim the side. I'm going to put the filling. and you can fold and stitch the edge, and you can crimp the edge. Put the filling and fold it. Make sure it's really stitched together, and here after this you just crimp the side. Until you get this shape, and you see the other side is like this. Okay, if you don't know how to crimp the side, if you have this mold at home, you can always use this. Put the filling inside, and you can just fold this and cut the edge, trim the edge. This is another way how to do the curry puff. Okay, I've done the tree with the mold and the tree with my crimping the side. Okay, the balance, the dough, you can always keep it in the plastic like this, and if you need it, you can just take it out and roll it, because this is to avoid the dough to get dry. Once the oil is hot, I can start frying the curry puff. Okay, once you see that it's turning brown, you can just strain it. Here's my beef curry puff. Very simple to do, isn't it? You have two types where you can use your hand or you can use the mold. And this is our street food where you can have it for breakfast and also for high tea. And please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.